Hey there. I am headed in from the shop. I've been painting all day long. We were camping for about 4 days and we came home a couple days ago and I've not had time to get to the grocery store, and I've got some pretty lame produce in here. So how am I gonna stay on track with what I have to eat? Well, let me tell you what. I'm not gonna use these lame sweet potatoes that I've got here and these super overripe bananas. I'm gonna save these for smoothies. But I am gonna use a few things that I'm just throwing together. It's gonna be like a trash stir fry. I found one squash, one apple, a few mushrooms that I had left over, and I have a single grass-fed beef patty that we brought home. This was actually made on the campfire while we were gone. I'm gonna use those things along with some coconut oil and a few secret ingredients and a few secret spices that I use on my stir fry all the time that make, no matter what it is that you have on hand, taste like $1,000,000. So for those little tips and tricks of how I stay on track and I don't go into my pantry and grab the Pop-Tarts or a bowl of Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and I'm gonna go ahead and choose the things that I have here and make myself a delicious stir fry. All you have to do is click that link and we will get you the support that you need to make the best choices to become the best you.